You asked us to bring you IKEA mattresses, so we have now brought IKEA mattresses to our range. Cot mattresses and single bed mattresses. So, as you would have heard me saying, it's really, really important that you put your money into the mattress, not into the cot. IKEA do very good cots at a reasonable price. If you're on a budget, if you're having a second baby, so you've already got a good cot, big cot set up for your first baby, you're on a budget, your baby's going to family daycare, or goes and stays at a grandparent's house once or twice a week, or even more times a week if the baby goes there while you're at work. A really good setup is to get yourself an IKEA cot with slats the whole way around, so not the IKEA cots with enclosed ends. We don't like enclosed ends because if you put them against a wall, they restrict airflow. So a cot from IKEA with slats the whole way around, and then we have the IKEA organic cotton mattress or the IKEA cotton covered mattress in the IKEA sizes. We have mattresses in all sizes, mini, crib, papa, but today we're talking about IKEA. So why I'm saying to do this is because it's a much safer setup to a porter cot, and it is a good, easy price. So, you know, it's not a crazy price. Now, we also have IKEA mattresses for single beds. So we now have the IKEA single bed mattress. So you can again have it in the organic, or you can have it in the cotton cover. Now, what's the difference? Well, the first thing you need to know about cot mattresses is make sure you buy them in a smoke-free factory, and bed mattresses as well. People who make mattresses often are the same type of, without trying to be mean or say the wrong thing, which I'm sure it'll come across whatever way I say it as a bit funny, but the type of people who make cot mattresses are your type of little man who stands, maybe not little, big man, little man, small man, large man, whatever man who stands outside the factory having a smoke. Then he comes in, or she, and to make the mattresses, they might wash their hands, but they rub their hands while they hand make the mattresses. You want to make sure that your mattresses are tobacco, nicotine, cigarette free. So you want to make sure that the person who's handmade your mattress wasn't a smoker. We guarantee that with ours because Nathan supervises the making of the mattresses, and they're made locally. So our mattresses are cigarette smoke free. Now, the difference between the organic mattress and the cotton mattress, they're both a cotton fabric. This one is organic. Lots of people prefer organic. The organic is more expensive because the organic fabric is more expensive, and underneath the fabric we have a lamb's wool. Now, the lamb's wool will keep your baby cool in summer and warmer in winter. A warm baby sleeps on their back, so the lamb's wool encourages the baby to sleep on its back. It's not the same as a sheepskin. You should never put a sheepskin or a wool underlay on your baby's mattress because if they roll to their tummy, it doesn't let them breathe. But because this is under the cotton fabric, if they roll to their tummy, they can still breathe. Now, in order to make this mattress, which is cigarette smoke free and has got the best springs available and is basically an adult mattress cut down, so both of these are basically an adult mattress cut down, they're very firm. In order to make these mattresses, for you in an affordable fabric and price and size, we have made this one, but instead of the wool to keep the baby warm so that they stay on their back, and again they stay cool in summer because of the cotton, we have put a polyester lining in it. So the main difference is polyester, and then this one is sheepskin lamb's wool underneath. So now you have to make sure that your mattress fits all the corners. These are the perfect fit for the IKEA cot. We do have mattresses for all different cots, and remember that we have the mattress for the single beds as well. Now, Louise, has anyone asked any questions?
No.
No. Okay. So if you have any questions about our mattresses, pop them underneath, and I will answer your questions, or one of the members of my team will answer your questions. Thank you. Bye.